How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and under the privacy controls tab, you will see the option for My Data. Tap on that. If you have not logged in recently, Snapchat might ask you to log in order to gain access to your data. Once logged in, you will see an option to export a copy of your Snapchat information, including your chat history and user information. Ensure that the chat history option is selected along with any other data. You might be interested in data such as snap history, memories, or location. After selecting what data to include, tap on the Next button. Further, choose the range of the export. You can select from options like the last week, month, year, 2 years, or all time. Once you have set your preferences, tap on the Submit button. Snapchat will then prepare an export of your data, which will include all your messages, and they will send it to your email. Now go back to Snapchat and then tap on the My Data again. Here, tap on the See Exports button and then tap on the Download button. Now go back to your home screen and open Files app. Here, you will see the Download Zip File option. Tap on it to extract the file and further open the file and look for the Deleted option, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the friends that you have deleted. So, this is how you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.